Hey, Praisers and Savers. This is the breakdown for CVS for March 28th to April the 3rd, 2021. So first off, I have a giveaway I want to tell you guys about, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I am giving away today. My first and favorite deal is the Colgate toothpaste. I love to get a great deal on toothpaste because I put these in the blessing bags, and I also give these away to people who need them at food banks. So the Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. There's a $1 off coupon in most newspapers, and then there's also a $2 off coupon from the red box when you walk in, making this toothpaste only 99 cents each. That's an 80% savings. My second deal is the Pantene. Now, I'm not going to personally get this deal, but I did want to showcase it because you're getting 3 of those bottles of Pantene for free, and that's also a 39-cent profit for each of those. You're going to have to buy 3 of them using the $5 off coupon that you got in the P&G this week, and then that's going to give you some money. That's the spend 30, get $10 gift card back. There's also some CVS store coupons on the app that you can check out. So you have so many different deals that are going to combine to get this Pantene absolutely free. I am going to pick these up. These are the Garnier Skin Active Towelettes, the makeup wipes. The 25 count, you're going to buy 2 of those, and you're getting back $5 in extra care bucks. There are some coupons out there, and there's also some CVS store coupons on the app. Now, this varies by people that use these coupons, so you may not have it. This also includes your 10% on your Beauty Club savings. It's going to make each pack of wipes 8 cents, which is a 99% savings. Going to pick up the Suave like usual. I love the Suave to put in blessing bags. These are going to be 14 cents each, or 96% savings. So you're going to buy 2 of them, making it $6. Then you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, but make sure that you use 2 newspaper coupons. There may be some shampoo coupons on your app, so check those out. Combine those together, and this also goes along with your 10% Beauty Club savings. All right, the Gillette Sensor 2 plus Pivoting Head men's disposable razors 5 count are BOGO 50% off this week. So you're going to buy 2 of them, buy 1, get 1 50% off, getting back $3 in extra care bucks. There are some razor coupons out there, and this also goes along with your 2% extra care savings. And then there's a $6 off CVS store coupon on the app that varies by people, making these 34 cents each, or 95% savings. All right, now I don't buy Nexus shampoo and conditioners, but I think I'm going to start because the Nexus deals have been so great lately. You're going to pick up 2 Nexus you can buy like shampoo and a conditioner. So you're picking up 2 of those products using the $5 off coupons that we got last week. When you do that, you're getting back $10 in extra care bucks, but you're going to use a $4 off CVS store coupon on the app, and this also gives you 10% in your Beauty Club savings. Now, if you're not on the Beauty Club, you need to get on there because every $30 you spend on the Beauty Club, you get $3 back. And this usually takes about 48 hours for you to get back these $3 in extra care bucks. But you do get them, and I get them constantly and don't even realize I'm getting them. So this is going to make each bottle of Nexus $2.84, or 83% savings. So the next one is the Kotex. I haven't gotten these in a while. Now, this is the one of the deals. This is the Light Days. Sorry, it's spelled wrong. Liner 16 count. If you did get that, they're buy 1, get 1, 50% off. You're getting back $2 back when you buy 2 of them using the coupons that just came out. 32 cents total for each of those, and 82% savings. Now, you may not want the Light Days. You may want the regular ones. So your cost is going to be a little bit higher, probably $1 for each box, but that's probably what I'll do. If you don't have those coupons, there is a $1 off coupon on the app that is a manufacturer coupon that you can send to your card. Now, like always, I always get my Tide Pods. The Tide Pods this week are going to be, like always, $4.94 using that $2 off manufacturer coupon. It's like getting it for $2.94, but this is part of that spend 30 get $10 gift card promotion. And so they're going to be $1. Well, it earns you $1.63 towards your $10 gift card. I have the total there wrong. I apologize about that. But I always pick these up. All right, guys, so let's finish up. So these are my favorite toothpaste deals of the week. And so they're not like a really great deal where they're 80% off or 90% off like I like, but there's some great deals out this week. And sometimes what happens with your CRTs on your app is that you will get a CRT that says something like if you spend $25 on tooth products, toothpaste, mouthwash, whatever it may be, then you'll get $5 off. So you may be able to combine those. Now, everyone gets different ones. I know last week some people got, if you spend $16, you got $4 off, but just see what you can do. Now, I like to put all my toothpaste products together, mouthwash, toothbrushes together in one transaction and clip those CRTs to see what happens. So just check these out. There may be something great in there. So these are going to be all the spring cash card promotion deals that you can do instead of the Pantene like I showed you. Also the Tide, you can always do that. If you need diapers, there they are. I will probably pick up some of the Herbal Essence shampoo because I do like that. That is my favorite, but I'm just going to try anything I can to get to that threshold of $30. These are also included. I do have a Palmolive coupon from last week that I will use. I think it's only 50% off, but that is a buy one, get one 50% off. So that is a pretty good one there. I will not be getting any paper products from CVS. They're a little high for me this week. So these are also some deals that I thought were just great that I will be picking up. I always pick up the Tide Simply Clean. They're $1.94 using that dollar off coupon, and I love to have these in my stockpile if I need to give them for the food bank or wherever it may be. Also, the Claritin chewables this week are $9.99. You can use that $6 off coupon, and those coupons you have to run like it's a quick coupon, only lasts for a week or two. Making those only $4. These are great to keep in your car whenever one of your kids are having a little problem with their allergies. And also, I never see Clear Eyes coupons, but this one is a Clear Eyes with allergies. They're buy one, get a $2 off CVS Extra Care Buck. I would definitely check those out because I never, like I said, never see coupons for those, but we always use those in our house. So if you are not getting the CVS text messages, please sign up for it. What you're going to do is send a text message to 397-473 and you're going to type extra to get weekly coupons. And then when you get those coupons that come in, you'll just click the link and they'll go straight to your card. So I am working right now on getting some Instagram followers. So please head on over to my Instagram page. I am about 550 followers right now. And when you do, please comment on the photo that you see here. There is going to be a giveaway for this coupon planner. It's called Let's Go Couponing, and I am collaborating with another couponer who uses this planner and just helps you jot down some of the deals that you see throughout the week. But let's get on over there and like my Instagram page, and also, not like it, but follow me, and then comment below on the Instagram photo that you'll see. All right, guys, make sure you sign up for my IBOTTA account. The IBOTTA is in the description box and also my Fetch account, and let's sign up for that IBOTTA because you are going to get constant rebates with IBOTTA things on items that you buy every day. So check out the description box, click on the link for IBOTTA and for Fetch to join my IBOTTA team. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, Praising and Saving, to get deals every week. All right, guys, that will be it. So check out those CVS deals and let me know what your favorite deal of the week is on the comment section below so I can know what you guys are enjoying on my page. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.